Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we're going to look into a tutorial on Cider AI. So how you're going to use it to enhance workflow, especially with ChatGPT and Google Bard. We'll look into this video. So if you found the video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. And now let's get started. So what we're going to do here, if you go to the official website, so let's access Cider AI first. So if you go to cider.ai, that's the official website here. So open up the official website here. So this is the official website of Cider AI. So what is actually Cider AI? As you may know, Cider AI, it's a Chrome or a browser extension, okay, that brings like multiple AI models like ChatGPT models, Google Bard or Gemini, and more other models into your browser. So on your browser, you'll have it as an extension. So it keeps like real-time AI assistance alongside whatever you're working on. So whether you're working on something and you can at the same time use the AI assistant, like whether you're like it's an email or a document or browsing, you don't like constantly need to switch tabs. So that's what it is. Okay, so let's start off with, so once you're on these official website here, you can firstly like create an account. You can simply like create a free account using your Google credentials. You can do that. And then once you have created an account, so for example, let me choose like login. I'm going to like continue with Google, so I'll just log in with my Google credentials and account. So once you've logged in, you'll get to something similar like this. And then here you can see that the interface looks pretty similar to like ChatGPT, right? So it's similar. So what you can do, you can download the extension. So if you're using the Chrome browser, you can simply go to your extension store here, and you can like look for your Cider extension. So you can just install it. So you get it here, the Cider chat extension, because that will be more handy if you have it like installed with the extension. So hit on add to Chrome, okay, and add the extension. So once you've added the extension here, okay, so you will see that the extension is now being added. Yep. Okay, so what we're going to do, so once you have installed the extension, you'll get this Cider on your side here. So when you click on your extensions, you'll have it here. See, on your side here, you'll have it. So now you can start working on it. So I'll just go through some of the things that you can do with this Cider. So firstly, okay, you can like ask any questions with this. So you can, similar to ChatGPT, okay, you can ask any question or type in anything, ask anything, and then it will give your answers based on whatever you ask for, similar to ChatGPT. And you have your other models. If you want to switch models, you have this option here where you can like switch to other GPT models and everything. So you can choose that here. So it's like embedded, okay, and then that's done. And then apart from that, what you can do is, for example, I just ask a question, what is the best places to visit in Vietnam? So it's give me all these places and everything. I can screenshot it. So if I want to, I can screenshot it, and then I can ask for the questions. So like how we normally chat with ChatGPT, that's fine. And then apart from that, you have this write option here. So if you click on this write option here, you can ask this slider to do anything you want to. So for example, like you want to write a marketing ad. So for example, let's say I want to write a marketing ad. So click on marketing ad. And then what topic is it? So for example, I would say on like marketing ads on social media followers, something like that, okay. And then you just type what you want to, and then hit on try AI writer. And then what happens is that it will, if you click on this submit option, it's now slider is now writing it for you. So see, it is giving you all these all the ad, a marketing ad for you. See, as you can see it's doing it for you. So you can just use that. And apart from that, not just that, you also have the option where it can like write a paragraph if you want to write about an essay or anything, or an email. Let's say if you want to write an email, if you click on this email option here, and then you can select like, for example, here just say write an email. So let me just click on this and then search, okay, or reply email or something. Let's say I want to write an email, say I want to like postpone meeting, okay. something like that, postpone a meeting. If you hit on submit, you'll see that it's going to like, it has like fully created an email based on the context, which is postponing a meeting. So all you have to do is plug in my name and use it. So you see, as you can see, you have the copy option here. I can copy it and then do it. So apart from that, and I have apart from that, there's also this record option here. So if you click on it here, okay, you can actually record. So you can record like tabs, your desktop, anything. You can start record it, and then once you've recorded, you can like work on it. If you want, you can ask the slider to do something with it, like summarizing, transcripts, so all of things. There's quite a lot of things that you can ask. Okay, and also there's another option here. If you click on the more option here, you have this translate option where you can ask GPT to translate something for you, and you have the grammar option. So if you click on the grammar option here, okay, grammar option here, you can probably like paste in a text or anything, or you can just type in whatever you want to, like if you have a text, for example. Let's say you have written something, and okay, you have written something, but you don't know whether it's grammatically right or anything. So you have selected the grammar option here, hit on improve. When you hit on improve, what happens is that it fixes up all your grammatical errors, and it gives you like a much better version, as you can see here. So it gives you a much polished version here. And also apart from that, it's also asking if you provide a reason, okay, something. If you provide a reason, then it will give you, as per my prompt, it will give you a much better improvement and solution as well. So it can like checks your grammar and sentence and everything, which is pretty good. And also you have these options here where you can like ask for anything. So if you click on this ask option here, you can like custom prompt. You can ask anything, any prompt you want. So for example here, if you click on this custom prompt here, and here you can simply choose any. If you want something to get explained, you can choose the explain option. If you want it to translate something, you can click on translate something. Improve writing, you can choose improve writing. If you want to fix the spelling and grammar, choose this. And if you want to answer, to answer any of the question, you can choose this. Okay, and if you want it to like explain your codes or something like that, you can choose this. So a lot of things. So if you want to summarize something, if you click on summarize, okay, you can click on summarize. Then what you're going to do, you can simply place in any text here and then hit on send, and it will summarize that text for you. So you can do like all these, quite a lot of things for you with this slider. So there's it's a wide range of things that you can do with this slider. And also if you're working on a browser, so for example when you're working here, so okay, let's say you're working here on your browser, so you're searching for example, like let's say different types of chocolates. So for example here, I'm like searching for like browsing on different types of chocolates. These are my Google search results here. If I scroll down, I will see that here Slider has also researched for me. So apart from Google, I have the results from Slider. So see, from Slider it has an information about different types of chocolates here, okay, and not just that, and it also has related links where it has sourced the information from. So I can simply use this and then hit on these links and browse it. So it makes my like whole point of my browsing much easier. So it's like simplified, so you can like, so it mingles with Google while you're working on a Google browser, you're doing something. You can also use Slider on the other hand here too, to make your browsing or your work much easier. So it also helps you while you're working on something on your browser. So in Slider AI, actually it transforms your whole browser into like a productive AI hub. So it lets you like chat with your ChatGPT or your Google Gemini, okay, and or others in context, like without you leaving the page. So like you can simply now, if I click on continue to chat, then I can open up, like I can chat with Slider and then continue if I have any doubts or anything while the browser is still here and while running or while working on the browser. So I don't like have to leave the page. Okay, so I can like like I mentioned earlier, you can draft emails, I can summarize like PDFs, refine writing, grammars, translate text, and also generate emails, everything through this sidebar here. So through the sidebar or the extension, see I have a little Slider icon there. If you click on it, that will open up the extension here. So you can fully use this. As you can see, if you just click on it, then it will open up the Slider here. So it's actually seriously a powerful AI workflow accelerator. And basically that's pretty much it. I hope this information and video was helpful. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. I will see you all in a new video.